Ever wanted to see who you called on Snapchat or who called you earlier? Here's how to check your Snapchat call history, step by step. First, open the Snapchat app. Swipe right to open the chat screen. At the top, tap on the Calls tab. Here you'll see your recent Snapchat voice and video calls. Keep in mind, calls older than about 30 days may not appear here. If you want your full call history, do this instead. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap Settings. Scroll down to Privacy Controls and tap My Data. You may need to log in again. Just confirm your account. Select call-related data or chat history. You can also choose a date range. Tap Next, then Submit Request. Snapchat will email you a download link, usually within a few hours. Download the zip file and extract it. Open the folder called Talk History. Here, you'll see your Snapchat call details, including dates and times. And that's how you see your Snapchat call history. Like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and hidden features.